See, today we will discuss about how to store employee data in MySQL and image stored in MongoDB GridFS. Okay, so this is the diagram. See this diagram. So in front end there is a text fields like employee number, e-name, salary, and image upload option will be there. So if we want to store the employee number, employee name, salary in MySQL, and image should be stored in MongoDB GridFS. So how to store that, all those details in respective databases. And here one more thing is this image name. This image name is also stored in MySQL. Image name only, not image. Okay, only image name I am going to store MySQL along with employee data, and image content that will be stored in MongoDB GridFS. Okay, so how to achieve this functionality we will see in this session, and before that these are the steps for this. First of all, we need to create the table employee number, employee name, salary, image, and write the store procedure, call the GridFS function, and call the store procedure. That's it. Okay, so we will see how to write it. And this is EMP controller belongs to MongoDB, and EMP MySQL controller. So here, yeah. So according to these points, see, first of all, we need to create the table. So create the table and EMP number, e-name, salary, and image name. Okay. So here EMP, I'm giving grid, EMP grid table. Okay, table is created. Why? Because this image name in EMP grid that refers to the image name of the GridFS collection. Okay, and here go to here and write the store procedure insert underscore EMP grid, and parameters p underscore EMP number integer and p underscore ename varchar of 50, and so in table level we have given 45. Okay, so maintain that data type size. P underscore cal integer, p underscore image name, and varchar of 45. Here we need to write exception handling code. That thing I'm going to take this exception handling code, paste it here. Now if exists, if that employee number already exists, then what we have to do? EMP grid where EMP number equal to p underscore EMP number, then begin end else begin end if the employee number not exist, then only we have to write the insert query. MP number, ename, sal, p underscore, image. What will be that image name? So image name, and take this, copy this, all these column names and paste it here. P underscore, and give the response. So 200 as status code and success as message. And same type of message with different status code like 201. And here message will be concat of p underscore emp number, comma, here write emp number colon, and here already exist. So now first 2 points are completed. Next one is call gridfs function. So here observe this common.ts. We have two types of gridfs storage functions. One is grid storage function. If you use this function to upload the images, then collection name is grid uploads. Okay. If you use file storage function, then we will get the function name for image upload. That collection name is file uploads. Okay. So these are the bucket names. Okay. So here I am going to take which one? Yeah, grid uploads collection we will take. Okay. So router dot post insert emp data image and grid storage function dot single, and here pick and request response use try catch res dot send new error response 400 e dot message. Okay. So by using this code, okay, whatever we are going to upload the image, that image will be stored in which collection? This grid uploads dot files and grid uploads dot chunks collections. Okay. And next. So we need to take that image name and move it into MySQL database. So image name equal to, so image name that will be available request dot file dot file name. Okay. And let body equal to request dot body Let params equal to body dot emp number, body dot ename, body dot sal, and image name. Okay, these are the 4 parameters. And call sp set. So what will be the params names? At the rate p underscore ename, enumber, at the rate, and we can copy simultaneously here also. Take this name. And take this procedure name. Now dbpool dot query call sp and params error callback function result and here if any error comes res dot send new error response of 400 error dot message, and if you are not getting any errors then check result dot length greater than params dot length is both result dot length is greater than params dot length, else res dot send new error response 201 and no response from DB, and take one variable response and result of params dot length. Okay, so this could be array result of params dot length. Okay, and then response becomes array. So or else you can put, if you put here, then we are fetching 0th object from this result of params dot length. Okay, then this response should be object. Okay, so object dot keys, or else you can directly write response dot status code equal to 200. That means data will be inserted. Okay, else response dot message. Here response dot res dot send new API response 200 or else response dot status code and response dot message, and here also you can write response dot status code. And these terms are correct. Status code or else you can take this key name and paste it here. Otherwise you will get issues. And while uploading, okay, we will check up to this. And I am going to refresh it. There are no collections. And take this method name body, go to the form data, and here select file, and here give that PIC. Here I am going to take image 1 and EMP number 1, ename A, and sal 1000. Okay, and before that take this table name and select star from test dot table name, execute it, no data, and send.
Change the MongoDB to MySQL.
So success message, and now go to the MySQL image 1. So image name will be there, and go to the MongoDB and refresh this collections to grid uploads dot file. We are using this file. Okay, this image name has been uploaded, and now if I click on next, again employee number 1 already exists. Okay, and check here again image 1 dot jpg that was uploaded. Okay, so this should not be happen. So what to do now? So go to, we have already discussed about the deletion of image names from gridfs. Okay, so we have already written one function. So if you pass this file name, image name to this function, it will delete the specified documents from related collections. Okay, I'm going to take this and put it here. But observe this. This is file upload schema, but we have used grid storage. I mean grid uploads. Grid storage means grid uploads. Okay. So what to do? Here we need to create collection for grid upload also. Okay, we have schemas for file uploads. Okay, so I'm going to copy this and paste it here. Okay, now just rename it. Grid upload. Okay, for this also I'm going to change it. To use file upload means we have already schema is there, so no need to create schema. Now here change the collection name also. Copy here. So this is grid files and grid chunks. Okay. Now grid upload schema is ready. And go to here and use this grid upload. There it is, grid upload schema. And here write grid chunks. And here grid delete single file storage function name, and I am taking this function name, and wherever we have get this employee number already exist, then call this function, and for this function just call pass image name as a parameter. Okay, now we will check it. Before that, it is better to truncate the table. Truncate table. And here also remove this, drop this collections which is related to grid bucket. So there are no documents. Now again see success message we will get and execute here. So record is there, and go to the MongoDB and refresh, and no need to again. So here one document is there in grid uploads.files, and related chunks will be there in grid uploads.chunks. Now again click on send button, employee one already exists. See same count is there. See here also same. So again that image has not uploaded. Earlier it was uploaded irrespective of the employee number exist or not exist. Okay, so if you click on number of times also it will not happen. So there is no duplicates. Then you can give different value 1000 and give different image. See, success message, go to the MySQL and that record is there, and go to the MongoDB. Here 22 chunks are there. If you click on this, more than 22, that means one more So another chunks for images will be uploaded. Now another image has been uploaded. Okay. So this is the way to write the API like this. So here what I have done is the employee data, employee number, employee name, salary that are stored along with image name that are stored in MySQL, and image, raw image that is stored in MongoDB. Why I am storing image name in MySQL means tomorrow I will discuss about get API. I mean, I will take the image name from MySQL and display and go to that, pass that image name to the MongoDB and get the image and display in Postman or web. Okay. So for that purpose only, I am taking that image name and pass it into MySQL. Okay.